Hello everyone, welcome back to SSB Crack Exams. मैं हूं अनुराधा. And in this session also, I thought of bringing something important and useful for your upcoming SSB interview pertaining to thematic perception test or TAT. मतलब बहुत सारे क्वेरीज आते हैं हमारे पास कि मैम किस तरह का स्टोरी हमें लिखना चाहिए, एक पिक्चर देखने के बाद क्या ऑब्जर्व करना चाहिए, कैसे स्टोरी को फ्रेम करना चाहिए इन टैट. So I thought of making a session for this. So please watch the session till the very end. तो आपको पता है कि टैट जो है 4 साइकोलॉजिकल टेस्ट में से पहला साइकोलॉजिकल टेस्ट है, जिसके थ्रू आपकी स्टोरीज से साइकोलॉजिस्ट को आपके बारे में जो क्वालिटीज है वो असेस कर पाते हैं. यहाँ पे 11 पिक्चर्स और एक ब्लैंक स्लाइड दिखाया जाता है और हर एक पिक्चर और ब्लैंक स्लाइड के लिए आपको एक एक स्टोरी लिखना पड़ता है. यानी इन टोटल टैट में आपको 12 स्टोरीज लिखना पड़ेगा. नाउ I will show you some pictures in today's session and we will discuss about how you can write a desirable story in your TAT part of SSB interview. पहले आप ये पिक्चर को देखिए ध्यान से. अगर आप चाहते हैं तो यहाँ 30 सेकंड्स के लिए आप सेशन को पॉज कर सकते हैं, अच्छे से ऑब्जर्व कर सकते हैं, देन वी विल रिज्यूम. Now that you've looked into the picture, let us see what observations we could make of the picture. पहले हमें क्या दिख रहा है? विंडी वेदर है, हवा बहुत तेज चल रही है, विलेज एनवायरमेंट है, एक रास्ता गया है, आसपास खेत है, पेड़ है. तो ऐसी सीनरी आपको यूजुअली सिटीज या टाउन्स में नहीं देखने को मिलता. लोनली स्पॉट और वे है, मतलब कोई भी नहीं है रास्ते में, एक अकेला बंदा जा रहा है रास्ते से और कोई ह्यूमन सेटलमेंट भी आसपास हमें नहीं देखने को मिल रहा. तो आपको लिखना कैसे है स्टोरी? बेसिकली हम लोग देखेंगे कि स्ट्रेस या प्रॉब्लम हम क्रिएट करेंगे. पहले तो बैकग्राउंड दे देंगे कि हो क्या रहा है. दैट इज द पास्ट ऑफ द स्टोरी. It was heavily raining in the month of June 2009. It became difficult to come out of the house. This is the background of the story. Now we will talk about what led to the situation. मतलब problem क्या है? Here the situation will be responsible to originate a problem, a crisis. So what we will write? At 11:30 p.m., Ajit is the main character, okay, the hero. Ajit heard a repetitive knock on his door to make immediate arrangements to hospitalize a patient of heart attack. यहाँ पे आप थोड़ा सा डिस्क्राइब कर सकते हैं कि नेबर है कोई, एल्डरली मैन है, ठीक है, जो कि अपने घर में अकेले हैं. तो ही कॉल्ड यू और ही केम अप विथ चेस्ट पेन एंड ही वांटेड हेल्प. ओके, ऐसे आप थोड़ा सा एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हैं. देन हम बात करेंगे व्हाट लेड टू द सिचुएशन इज ग्रैबिंग द स्ट्रेस as the degree of difficulty is being raised along with the surrounding and attending circumstance. अब हम इसको build up करेंगे सिचुएशन को. There was no one at the patient's home except for 2 ladies and kids. ऐसा आप लिख सकते हैं, आपके पेशेंट अकेला था. अब हम दिखाएंगे what is going on. That is the present situation, the main part of the story, where the story will depict the emergency and crisis of an urgent nature. Ajit immediately managed few medicines like life-saving drugs under the telephonic advice of a heart specialist from a nearby medical store, causing no delay. He advised the ladies to administer the doses and continue minute-to-minute respiration. Now, the situation which we will show here is where the hero will combat with the stress with the fighting spirit and resource management skills. For example, he left the place while facing the heavy cyclone with the heavy rain, and within 45 minutes he returned back with mobile van and a doctor to be taken to hospital. Then we will talk about the conclusion of the outcome, and with efficient and quick medical aid the patient became comfortable within 4 hours. यहाँ पे आप थोड़ा सा डिस्क्राइब कर सकते हैं that the ladies thanked him for saving the life of the patient or for taking a quick action as much as possible, as soon as possible. And he told them to take care of themselves and the patient and went back home. Next day, before going to office or before going to college, जो भी आपका एज आप देना चाहते हो अपने हीरो को, he also went to the hospital to check on the patient and he was happy to see that the patient was doing well. He also thanked him for taking necessary steps while he was in need. Okay? So इस तरह आप अपनी स्टोरी को खत्म कर सकते हो. प्लीज रिमेंबर, यहाँ पे जो मैं आपको आइडियाज दे रही हूँ और जो डिस्कस कर रही हूँ, हाउ टू राइट अ डिजायरेबल स्टोरी फॉर टैट, दिस इज नॉट द परफेक्ट or the ideal story. This is just a sample story. Okay? Now next picture पे move on करेंगे. This is the next picture. So here also you can pause the session for 30 seconds and observe the picture carefully. Now as you've observed, let us see what things we could observe in the picture. Young boy who is wearing running clothes, okay, or a jogging clothes or athletic sports clothes. ही इज रनिंग ऑन अ रोड, आसपास बहुत सारे होटल वगैरह दिख रहा है, बिल्डिंग्स दिख रहे हैं, सो बेसिकली इज रनिंग ऑन अ city road. Okay, now either there can be different ideas that can come up from this picture. You can write a story regarding competition, athletics, winning any game, practice, dedication, sports. So all these things we can make out from the picture. Now how to write a story, how desirable story for TAT. So this is a sample story. Athletics has occupied an important paradigm since the 19th century. Along with it, India has been occupying a prominent place when it comes to getting laureates at the international level. Inspired by many Indian athletes, Sukumar Kale, a second-year BCom student from the Nagpur University, has been practicing the 1500 meters and 10K runs since the 11th standard. Sukumar was mentored by Devraj Desai, a coach who has been a part of Sports Authority of India. With consistent practice, Sukumar had represented Maharashtra at the inter-university sports meet and qualified for the nationals. Apart from competitive sport, Sukumar maintained a good track record in his academic career with zeal and enthusiasm for other co-curricular events, which enabled him to develop his personality to represent him, his university and his state. He volunteered for many activities that involved him guiding other juniors in this state in subject of sports and balancing the academic career. Inspired by his achievements, the Maharashtra state government recommended Sukumar Kale for the Indian contingent, representing a cross-country run in Pyongyang, South Korea for a friendly meet of all nations. Sukumar Kale made his university, state and country proud at this international platform and carried the legacy of sports forward. A very very inspiring story. You could see, you could also make out different qualities of the hero, right? And you could understand that the hero is passionate, that is the candidate who has written this story is passionate about sports, how he's preparing for the sports, how he wants to make his state, his school or his university, his country proud of him, how he is also balancing academic career along with his sports, how he is winning, he's doing the achievements, he's getting the achievements, he's winning, he's practicing very hard with the help of his coach and everything. तो बहुत सारे क्वालिटीज, अच्छे क्वालिटीज जो है कैंडिडेट के हमारी इस सैंपल स्टोरी से समझ में आ रहा है. So like this you have to write a desirable story for TAT. I hope you have got an idea by looking at these two examples about how you can make up a story and write it for thematic perception test in your upcoming SSB. इसी तरह अगर आपको अपने अपकमिंग एसएसबी के लिए प्रिपरेशन लेनी है तो आप हमारे एसएसबी इंटरव्यू ऑनलाइन कोर्स को ज्वाइन कर सकते हो, विच इज द बेस्ट ऑनलाइन कोर्स इन दी मार्केट. इस कोर्स के थ्रू आपको हमारे साथ लाइव क्लासेस में भी ज्वाइन होने का मौका मिलेगा. इफ यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर एनी अदर रिटन डिफेंस एग्जाम, उसके लिए कोर्सेस और टेस्ट सीरीज हमारे ऐप में अवेलेबल है. तो हमारी ऐप को आज ही डाउनलोड कीजिए एंड यूज कीजिए वॉरियर 10 का कोड while getting yourself enrolled to any course or test series to get a 10% off. That was it from my side. I hope to see you very soon for something more helpful and informative for your upcoming SSB. Till then, stay tuned with us and always stay positive and motivated. Jai Hind.
अगर आप एक डिफेंस एस्पिरेंट हैं और एसएसबी इंटरव्यू, एनडीए, सीडीएस, एफकैट जैसे एग्जाम्स के लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं तो आप एसएसबी क्रैक एग्जाम्स के कोर्स को चेक करना ना भूलें. आप हमारी लर्निंग एप्लीकेशन को गूगल प्ले स्टोर से भी डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं.